Hello! Welcome back! So, in today's video, may kasama akong friend, si Ian!
What's up, everyone?
So, in today's video, we will be doing a get ready with us video and hopefully, sana maging maganda yung video namin. As you can see naman, haggard ako.
Super
Yes.
haggard.
Spell haggard! N-E. Without further ado, let's start the video! And we're back! Let us start a routine for this video. First is, syempre magki-cleansing muna tayo ng face before tayo mag-start ng makeup kasi a clean face always makes the makeup stays a little longer.
Yeah.
Correct?
Correct.
Shoes. So first, I'm going to clean my face with this by Garnier, vitamin C. Gusto ni ate nyo maging maputi. So, ito siya.
Garnier.
Oh!
Vitamin C.
Oh! Anyway,
ano.
ito siya, Garnier Vitamin C Micellar Water to remove my excess dirt sa face ko. Would you like to use?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Borrow ko because I don't have my skincare prep.
Okay.
Nadala there's.
So tell them about yourself.
Me?
Yes, of course.
Okay. My name is Ian. So, right now I'm working at a cafe in Iloilo. Specifically in Mandurrial. So, yeah. And of course, my side hustle is doing makeup for other people. So,
Wow.
of course, pati man ikaw, right?
Yes.
Makeup artist.
So actually, partner ko siya sa makeup gigs. Always. Mula noon hanggang ngayon. Pero before he became a makeup artist, I was the one who first taught him how to do makeup. Yeah. And we're friends since way back 2014.
Grabe.
Yeah.
So, ano na?
It's a decade.
It's a decade already.
For the base of your makeup, what will you be using?
Me personally, because I have acne scars and textured skin, of course, pimples I have. I don't use matte base, like very very matte, because it really emphasizes yung textures ng skin mo. So even though like magpa-makeup ka rin sa like other makeup artists, they will not magically disappear the textures. It's normal. As a tip, go for like luminous base.
Hydrating.
Hydrating base, and yeah, just stay away from matte foundations or matte bases. Like, it's gonna
Girl, bawal yan!
it's gonna ruin your makeup.
And for me, as I'm much more of a clear textured na skin, I'm very oily, so I go for matte bases that usually stays longer on my face. In this video, I will be using my all-time favorite, Fit Me by Maybelline. Of course, because it's a matte base, this is a matte BB cream, because I don't usually use foundations for my daily get-ups. Like, kung gusto ko mag-OOTD, I will be using a BB cream that is, of course, may may SPF 50 for a better sun protection. And for you, pakita mo yung product mo.
First, I like my base na very glowy and healthy. And of course, I stay away from matte foundation. So before putting my base, I'm going to apply the Get Ready With Me Glow Booster in Cassiopeia. There we go. On the highest points of my face. So. As for people that have like textures on their skin, acne scars, it's fine to use glowy products, but as long as like the glitters or the...
So, sorry, nag-cut yung video. So, we have to, change from another camera. Yes. Like, overheat yung isang camera, so, need to get another one. So, anyway.
So, baka ganyan sa sinasabi ko, I like my skin dewy, even though I have textured skin. So, don't be afraid of using like glowy products, but as long as yung mica or yung glitter na ginamit dito is very fine. So before buying like on malls, department stores, make sure na you swatch it muna. And then see the product na rin if it can control oils sa skin. So, then, to apply my base, I use two products. This one, it's from VLK, tinted sunscreen, I guess, in the shade Butterscotch. Here. It has SPF 30. And then, this one naman is from Sunny Space. It's their Skin So Good Multi-Stick in Gobi. Before I used Saddle, but I think my skin got lighter na din. So, I changed to Gobi. This one I use is as concealer or as base na rin because this formula is so good but it's quite expensive for like.
Okay, give me a pro tip about how to look fresh.
Of course, skin preparedness is the key to look fresh. Because if maganda yung skin prep mo, then the makeup would look good. Diba?
Bilis mo din.
Of course. Minimal makeup. I like my makeup to be very minimal. So.
Lakadong girl ako, ano ka mo?
And then yun nga. For people that has textured skin and acne, go for minimal makeup. Don't go for like full coverage. Then for my concealer, Sunny Skin, Sunny Space, Skin So Good Stick. The problem with this packaging kasi nakalabas yung product, then nalalagyan yung cap. Very messy.
Ang high-end ng mga gamit ko dito. Nakakalo lang naman. Saktong 200 plus, 300 plus.
Kasi I know what's good for my skin. Yun.
And I don't.
Yun.
And I don't.
Yun.
And I don't.
Kasi syempre, mas kilala ko yung skin ko. So I know what which product yung mag-work sa skin ko. And I like very hydrating products. And this one's really very hydrating.
And for me, that's why talaga, mattifying foundation, BB cream, everything that is mattifying because I have a really bad oily skin. And for my
Yung sabi,
concealer
nilagay sa buong mukha, right?
concealer niya, ginagamit niya sa buong
mukha.
Sa akin naman, I'll be using this concealer by ZC. Yes, wait. Here. ZC. Ay, sorry, Maya pala. Trust. Maya Perfect Cover. I only use it sa inner corners ng under eye ko to lighten up a little bit and to lose the discoloration. So it comes in this package. Diba ganda po? Yarn. Parang siya, parang mix. Or LA Girl. Or ano pa? Isang ano dun? Isang dupe. Dupe lang ito ng original product. Pero actually, this works better din. So, I'm going to apply here.
Ikaw, personally, anong gusto mo yung concealer? Very
For
full.
me?
Very full pa yun.
Depende kasi, nakadepende na kasi sa tao na ginagamitan ko. For example, for clients, gusto ko yung high coverage concealer kasi alam mo, there's a lot of people that has a very dense discoloration under their eyes. So, what I usually do is first apply a eyeshadow primer because I find out na super high coverage yung eyeshadow primer na ginagamit ko by O2O. So, ginagamit ko siya in a color beige, which is whiter ko sa neutral skin tone. And there's another one which is Oriental. I think Oriental. No. I forgot already the name of the other concealer. Pero sila yung best bet ko doon pagdating sa adjusting your discoloration under your eyes. So, kung gagamitin ko siya, for me naman, ginagamit ko rin siya for me. Kasi, bet ko siya ganon. Ikaw, anong bet mo na concealer?
For concealer, favorite ko yung Isinco company na concealer because it's very hydrating and also yung sun. They're very hydrating. And then, yun nga, gumagamit rin ako ng Disney na eyeshadow and concealer primer. So good. Talagang kapit na kapit yung eyeshadow, yung concealer.
Okay. Let's play a game. Question game.
Okay, you first.
Uy, ako yung host. Ano ka ba, Bill?
Okay.
So for the question goes like this. What is the question?
What is the question? Okay.
So seryoso, when did you first find out na? For example, katulad ko, gay ako eh. I first find out na I was gay when I was the age of 7. And how about you?
Of course, same thing din. I found it nung malit pa ako, but I came out na nung first year high school.
And for me naman, I didn't have to came out already because my parents already know. That's why when the time that I tried to came out, they was like, sabi ko sa kanya, Mami, Daddy, may ano ako sabihin ako sa inyo. Diba? Ano yun? Bakla ako. Pataiyak-iyak moment si Auntie nyo pagkatapos na alam namin, ha?
Alam namin.
Sabi ko, paano nyo nalaman? Alexa pa lang, alam na namin. Okay. So, yung question
Ikaw. My question. When was your last relationship?
My last relationship was...
And how long was the relationship?
It lasted for 1 year.
Okay.
And for a fact, that was the most genuine relationship na experience ko sa buong buhay ko. And after our breakup, wala na akong boyfriend mula noon hanggang ngayon.
Till now.
Single.
Super lang yung meron ka now.
Wala rin, sorry. Hindi tayo magkanta sa Pinas B.
Pag-international?
Hindi ako pang local. Pag-international yung
International. But before any question, I'm gonna apply my bronzer, Sunny's Face, Air Blush, and Scalp.
Okay, next question. Ikaw din, when was your last relationship?
Last relationship? Siguro nung 2021 yata? Then now, mga suitors na lang. So,
Good for you.
this year, I already have 4 suitors. And then,
Good
and then yun lang. Hindi pa ako ready to go in a relationship kasi I prioritize my career and my work, of course, my family. So,
Ako, walang suitors.
so kung sino yung available dyan, baka naman.
Mabait naman ako. Hindi gumagana sa gabi.
Hindi ko magala.
Hindi nag-night out. Hindi Hindi ako umiinom. Ano ka pa?
Hindi umiinom. Sige, ako na. Ako na yung umiinom.
Ikaw na umiinom. Ano ka ba? Yung iniinom ko, dapat sa'yo na rin. So anyway, before I ask any questions, I will be using this. This is like Coke and White. I don't know what the brand is this. Estimate. Yes. And for him, if he's using that cream contour from Sunny's Face, sa akin kasi, ayoko nang masyadong bulky na makeup bag for my daily use. So instead of buying cream contours that makes my bag a little bit bulkier, ginagamit ko is pangkilay.
So ikaw, how do you use your or let's say, how do you do your nose contour? Kung na-connect mo ba sa brows?
No,
You don't connect.
I don't connect. Mahina Wi-Fi.
For me, if ginagawa ko yung nose ko, what I do is nilagay ko sa lower part ng nose to create that very button nose effect. Then hindi ko siya kinoconnect hanggang sa brows.
I don't connect to actually.
Yun. And after that is, kukuha ko ulit, then apply dito. And then I just leave this particular area. Kasi ang harsh tignan ng nose contour, connect siya talaga.
Sa akin, as you see, I've already seen sa my last video, yung paggawa ko ng contour is ganito. Because I already have a big nose, so ano siya, hindi ko naman kinakaya yung big nose ko. Alam mo yung parang luya na
Oh.
So, ang ginagawa ko talaga is sa kanya dito, tsaka sa bottom, yung sa akin, full talaga. In order to achieve that, very, alam mo yung parang pinch na nose, gano'n. Then, dito rin sa ilalim, ganyan. Magmumukha pa tayong dito for the moment. But after that, I will be blending it with this same powder puff na triangle na mabibili mo sa my Shopee for only 100 pesos. May maangge. Sorry, nag-change ulit kami ng camera.
Change cam ulit.
So anyway, this is from Maangge nga, as I said. Mura lang siya sa orange app. Hindi yellow app, iba yun. Anyway, what I'm going to do is blend the nostrils. I-blend ko yung nose contour. So,
Okay. I think sa blush na ako. My favorite blush at the moment is from Lucky Beauty. In the shade...
Lucky me?
Lucky... gutom ka lang. Gutom lang siya. Gutom. In the shade Fling. It's like this baby pink color. And I like it so much kasi I love it yung hindi saturated na type ng blush kasi for like a daily makeup. I like it na very subtle lang yung blush. Dapat, if gagamitin mo to, just use a teeny tiny bit amount kasi sobrang pigmented.
Okay, next question. Sa buong buhay mo, buhay ka pa ba?
Ako, magkasama nga tayo, di ba?
Ewan ko. So, as a barista sa cafe niyo, okay, I will plug in your cafe
Okay.
here.
Oh.
Palanaguan Cafe, located at Mandurriao.
Yeah.
Ano yun?
Let's go.
Charan!
Pa-plug.
Ano ba? Siyempre, plug natin yan. Maganda kasi yung coffee nila. I was there once. Then, hindi na ako nakabalik.
Kasi burao. Ayaw bumili.
Hoy!
Charot.
Gusto ko libre.
Walang libre doon.
So, for my blush, I will be using this Celeste Co. Here. Okay, this was suggested also by Ian. This is a gift from him. Yeah.
And then if you use that type of blush, blend agad kasi
Girl!
nagsaset.
Nagsiset siya. Yung sa akin kasi, mabigat yung kamay ko sa mukha ko, pero sa ibang tao, syempre.
Hindi.
Okay, magbablend na tayo.
Done.
May, ang bilis mo.
Ang bilis ko mag-makeup. Kasi minimal. Then, ano ba yung next na gagawin ko? Para
Pag-isipan mo muna decision mo sa buhay.
para makatapos ka na, no?
Ay,
Okay.
hindi mo nakakahiya naman.
Siguro I'll do highlighter na. This one's from Stylish Face again. I love their product. This one is the Face Glass Illuminator in Nova. I like this one kasi very dewy yung nakikreate niya. Hindi siya yung tipong highlighter na highlighter. Then once you blend, it will just create this parang illuminated na wet skin. Yun.
So, ganyan.
So ganyan.
Sa akin, nagmumukha ko yung sinampal ng demonyo. So, anyway, yung kulay na ginagamit ko na kulay. Yung kulay na ginagamit ko for blush is obvious. Obviously. So, what I'm doing is making it very saturated sa face ko. Kasi once nag-powder ako, nawawala siya. Okay, next. Magpa-powder na ako.
Ako, personally, inuuna ko yung mga cream products before powdering. Even though liquid highlighter siya, I just use powder last.
Sa akin naman, I don't use highlighter for my face kung everyday look lang naman. Hindi siya mahilig mag-set, guys. Hindi siya mahilig mag-set.
Nagsiset ako, but only the center of my face. Hindi yung buong mukha. Because, Ano nga, ang flat tignan.
Sa akin kasi I need to set because if I don't set my whole face, what will happen is that my makeup will move.
And then, for me, I just use Fit Me na press powder.
Ginagamit niya.
Which is bigay niya. This is in the shade 235 Pure Beige. Again, center of the face lang.
Anyway, what I'm using to set my face is Dr. Sensitive, of course. Hindi niya bet yung Dr. Sensitive ko sa akin, bet ko siya.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ano eh?
Ito. It's translucent. Yep, translucent.
Nangangamoy siya. Ewan ko ba? Nangangamoy.
Wala naman Ano ka ba?
Or maybe yung other colors lang.
Yung ibang kulay, kasi yung I have the their version of banana powder and nangangamoy talaga siya. I know. Pero this one, it doesn't have any scent. Nagmumukha akong nanay pala nun. Ano?
Ano? Okay, hihintayin kita. Ikaw,
Sabi.
question.
Okay, go.
If nag-work ka ng client na that has textured skin, and then acne problem, what do you do?
Color correct.
Color correct.
First of all, color correct.
Mm.
Pero minsan yung ginagamit ko, you don't, for textured skin.
Oh,
So, if kung yung client ko has a lot of, pimples, scars, and everything, like redness and skin, I'll be using a color corrector. Usually, I use color, parang red siya, which is good for eliminating those redness in your skin. Ayun ginagamit ko. For texture naman, wala na tayong magagawa dyan pag sa texture yung skin eh. So, what you're gonna have to do is, skincare, tsaka take care of your skin na lang talaga. And then, after I put some... So, asa na ba ako dun?
Yeah. Sa red.
So, yes, if you don't have a red color corrector for the reddish skin na yung sa person with a lots of pimple, pwede kang gumamit ng lipstick. Like, for example, you can use a red lip. Yung ginagamit ko usually kasi pag naubos ako ng red corrector is yung red lipstick na mattifying lipstick ng Maybelline. Yung tawag doon, Super Stay na mattifying liquid. So, anyway. So, yes, that's it. So, now I'm moving to brows.
Same. Brows. For my brows, I'm using Sunny's Face again. I love Sunny's Face. Their Life Brow in the shade Ash Brown.
Sa akin, I'll be using Easy. So, ito, it's in the shade of Ash. And this was a gift also from him on my 27th birthday. Ouch! What was that?
For me, hindi na ako nagpa-pencil ng brows or nagpe-pen. I just use eyebrow gel kasi hindi na bagay sa akin yung super penciled na brows.
Sa akin, ito na lang yung ginagamit ko noon. So, noon, very kita mo yung babaeng square yung kilay. Ganon. Tsaka yung kilay ko plakadong-plakado, pang pageant yung kilay ko every time I go up. So, ngayon, I switched to more natural, feathery look with this.
What I do sa my brows is binabrush up lang siya. And then I don't pluck my brows anymore because I just love yung tipong very messy yung kilay. At super hindi plakado. And I'm very thankful kasi tumubo pa siya.
Wala yung nagbabalik yung kilay niya, B. Sa akin, I love.
Yeah. Done.
Hair strokes ako, Siya rin kasi yung nag-influence sa akin na mag-hair strokes. Ngayon, iniwan niya ako sa Eren. Ang daya mo yun.
Bushy brows na lang yung meron.
Kasi noon, yung kilay ko, parang guhit ng bald head. Ganon.
Talaga, isang linya.
Isang linyahan, di ba? Way back, mga 60s? 40s? Yes. Yung kilay na tipong ano.
Nipis. Sobrang
Ganun.
nipis.
O, diba? Kapag ginagamit yun ng college ako, ano. Ballpen.
Ballpen yung ginagamit. And then, habang hinihintay ko siya, I'm just gonna retouch. Then, magsiset na ako ng face.
Okay, question.
Go.
Kailan ka nag-start accept ng clients sa makeup?
I start nang accept ako ng clients.
Yeah.
College yata, and then yung TF ko pa is 300 pesos. And then, I still remember kung saan nakalagay yung makeup. Nasa plastic bag ng Supermart. Like, legit. Talagang humble beginning siya. Kasi nakalagay siya sa plastic ng Supermart. And then, yung tipong yung mga makeup nung tagki-15 sa downtown. Yung ganun. I'm super happy na nung ganung time na yun. Then, I started investing after college. I started investing sa mga good quality makeup. And then, very supportive din naman yung parents ko because they bought the makeup, like yung makeup bag for me. And then, until na ginagamit ko siya. Because every time I book ko, I feel like I'm with them kasi ginagamit ko yung makeup bag.
Sa akin naman, I started accepting clients on my first year college when I transferred from fashion designing school to Maritime school, yes. So I started accepting makeup clients 2015, and that was just actually urgent need because naman, walang makeup artist sa Maritime school, walang bakla doon, ako lang. Meron namang bakla doon, pero alam naman nila mag-makeup kasi hindi sila nag-accept ng bookings. Ako naman, I don't know if forced yung term doon, pero I was one that they relied since I started makeup. Then, naalala ko pa noon, yung TF is 250. Tapos yung yung mga makeup ko, ganun din. A mix of branded makeup and, pinamimigay din sa akin ng makeup, ganun. Especially yung makeup ng mother ko. Yun ang ginagamit ko. Tapos, bumibili ako sa downtown, Chinatown. Bumibili ako sa Chinatown ng mga makeup, nagtitag 20, tig 15, gano'n. Yung eyeshadow ko, gano'n lang noon. Pero ngayon, syempre, I started investing talaga when I started going to college on my second year. I started investing on high-end makeup. Like, yung first high-end makeup I think is Smashbox na eyeshadow. Then after that, I invested a little more sa BYS. Yes, I have BYS before. Then, yung foundation ko, syempre, kasi yung afford natin, hindi pa natin afford yung Maybelline. Noon, I was using Everbelena. Yung nasa tune. Yung tag 125. Yan! Full coverage na yun, girl, noon. Tapos kung walang-wala talaga, tsaka rush talaga yung yung pag-makeup ng clients, if kung marami talaga sila, yung ginagamit ko is Kokoryo. Yung tipong babasain mo ng gano'n, pak, gano'n na, okay, go next. Diba?
Sa akin, I start investing sa good quality makeup. Then, yung high-end, last year, yeah, I started last year. And then, ginagamit mo siya then sa clients that are yung tag-iisang client. Then, yung event is very elegant event. Yung tipong gala, formal, yung gano'n. But like for students din naman, I use like local brands with mix ng high-end.
Sa akin naman, yes. I was using it for actually teachers. Teachers, yung yung una kong clients talaga. Buong teacher sa John D. Lacson Arevalo. Hi, moms! Chos. Anyway, so yon. Last time nag-makeup tayo sa John D.
Yeah, nag-makeup.
And that was, their review was good. Nagandahan sila sa makeup namin. And that was the first time na nag-collab kami sa former alma mater ko.
Alma mater.
Yes, of course. Anyway, mag-lipstick ako.
Then, ako yun. But I'm using yung glossy tip. It's from EC. In the shade. Pwede siya ba? Pwede siya humble?
Yes.
In the shade Kink. Yun. Yung word na hindi siya very me. Pero yun.
Yung sa akin naman, I'll be using Bobby Cosmetics. In the shade Lavish. Ito yung pinili ko kasi alam mo kung bakit.
Mm.
Girl, same tone kami ng lips.
And then mine, I like my lippy na nude. And then if ito, gagamitin mo siya. Of course, a very milky siya na nude rose. It's gonna look awkward kasi parang hindi siya bagay sa lips. And then when it settles, it's going to look good. See?
Sa akin tinignan mo. Aking ganit lang. Diba? Diba? So, kung gusto ko medyo mapula, yung ginagamit ko, it's L'Oreal Paris Crystal Cerise. This was a gift from my best friend in Germany. So, hi sis. Ano yung kulay niya? Bet ko siya, kaso nga lang, no, it's glittery. Super glittered siya. That's why I don't use it. I only use it for minsan lang. Pero medyo bongga yung ano ko. Anyway.
Now, for the last step, I'm gonna set my face. I'm using the Get Ready With Me matitayang spray. Paubusin ka.
Picture. Sa akin, before ako mag-ano, gagamitin ko muna. This has been going viral last 2021 and 22. YouTubers even reviewed this one. This is from Judy Doll. Yes. This is for the well-known Asian lashes. Kasi ano siya, it's very, ano siya, nakakatagal siya ng ng curl ng eyelashes. And of course, what I love about this is that it's also a metal tip. Yeah, metal tip. I don't even have to use eye curler for this one.
I'm done. I'm done.
Ang bilis mo. Barangin mo ako ng questions.
Sa tagal mong makeup artist, what is the best lippy na you like and then would repurchase again and again?
For me, that would be the Maybelline na bullet stick. It was released during the Valentine's Day. It was the red and black ombre. That's almost good for every Asian skin. That's why, kung pwede siya ma-repurchase ulit. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko siya binili eh. Ginip sa akin ha, 25 lipstick. 25 lipstick, hindi pa nagagamit pagkatapos naka-package pa lahat. Binigay sa akin ng crush. Binigay sa akin ng crush ko, nagulat ako, sabi niya, asan ka? Hindi ako sa bahay. Pero mag-meet tayo, may bibigay ako. Ano ba ibibigay mo? Tapos, kinuha niya yung alam mo yung plastic container na ginagamit niya mag-fiesta. Yun. Punong-puno yun ng dalawang plastic container yun ng lipstick. Puro lipstick lang yun. Tapos lahat nun is, yung isa doon isang Balmain na na collaboration with L'Oreal na color green. It's almost like concealer white yung kulay niya. Pero ginagamit ko rin siya in order to blend some, gusto ko mag-blend ng lipstick and ombre. Yung ginagamit ko.
Yan, wala na akong sasabihin. And then, malalaman mo talaga that we have a very different personality sa makeup na ginagamit. Like, hers is all gold and pink. Like,
What?
all gold and all pink. Yun. And then mine, is nude and rose gold. And then may konting silver. Yun. Talaga madidistinguish mo talaga kung kaninong gamit yung napariwara. Napariwara! Yan. Share ko lang. Bakit? Bawal mag-share.
Anyway, okay, tapos na ako. Pero mga ako, gusto ko ba tayo?
Yeah.
Galit. Galit ka!
Galit.
Anyway, this is our finished look. Diba? Nakaka-fresh lang.
Yes. Of course, yung makeup ko is very minimal. Of course, there's still like textures, there's still imperfections, but I like it kasi it still picks through. And then siya yung tipong makeup. So,
Sa akin naman, wala akong masasabi. Nakado siya, but at the same time, very weightless. Very mattifying kasi yung ano ko. Kasi, you know naman, I'm a very oily person. Kung pwede ako mag-start ng business sa oiling, nako, mayaman na ako. Ganon. So, I have to very choose carefully my foundations and powder that is all mattifying even for my setting spray. But unfortunately, naubusan ako ng setting spray. So, yung ginagamit ko ngayon sa kanya. Anyway, this is for our video. This is our final look. And once again, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this to your friends. And see you next time. Bye!